Welcome to Daily English.
Listen and practice.
Early in the morning, Officer Mike embarked on his daily shift. As a congenial law enforcement officer in a quaint little town, he bore the responsibility of maintaining safety and harmony among its residents. On this particular day, his routine patrol led him to Marty's Mart, a bustling convenience store. It was currently the epicenter of some commotion. Timmy, a usually amiable teenager from the town, was causing a ruckus. "Timmy, I need you to calm down," Officer Mike implored, his voice steady yet gentle. But Timmy, in his heightened emotional state, ignored Mike's plea and continued his destructive behavior. With a pressing need to restore tranquility, Officer Mike deftly navigated the tumultuous situation. He slowly approached Timmy, initiating a dialogue meant to soothe and pacify the distraught young man. "Timmy, can you tell me what's bothering you?" Officer Mike inquired. Through tear-filled eyes, Timmy confessed his turmoil. He was nursing a broken heart, courtesy of a recent breakup with his girlfriend. Maintaining an empathetic demeanor, Officer Mike listened to Timmy's woes with genuine understanding. He consoled the heartbroken teenager, offering solace in this difficult time. "Let's talk it out, Tim. There's always a solution," he suggested. As they engaged in a heartfelt conversation, Timmy's fury subsided. Mike imparted some sage advice about the ebbs and flows of love, which seemed to help Timmy. In the aftermath, they worked together to restore order in Marty's Mart. Timmy, feeling remorseful for his outburst, issued an apology to Marty, who graciously accepted it. By the end of the day, Officer Mike had once again upheld his duty. He had managed to keep peace in the town and aid a young man through a tough time. He wasn't just an officer of the law, he was a pillar of support and a friend to the townsfolk. Each day presented Officer Mike with new trials, but he embraced these challenges head-on. He cherished his role and his town, teaching us a valuable lesson in empathy, patience, and understanding through his actions. Why was Timmy causing a commotion in Marty's Mart?
Thank you for watching. Please give us a like, comment, and share. Click for more useful videos.